Good morning students, I am Vetrichelvi from Vetri and Vetri NEET Chemistry. Today the NEET and JEE preparation day 18th, some questions are ongoing today for the JEE main preparation because by February month onwards we are having 4 each month, February, March, April, May, 4 JEE main exams are there. This year new pattern is available, you can go and verify. Now so let us see the preparation towards the carbonyl compounds, JEE main. Okay, now here a carbonyl compound X with the molecular formula of C5H10O gives negative tolerance under the iodoform test and it is reduced to N-pentane by zinc amalgam and HCl, the compound X's. Okay, now how to approach this one is, let us see. The first one is carbon 5H10O. So this is similar to an alkene that is called CnH2n plus O. CnH2n is alkene. If along with the alkene means indicates that either it is the aldehyde or ketone. Now I am writing here, since it is C5H10O, here we can see the formula is C5H10O mean we can write the possibility is it is the carbonyl, and in carbonyl mean we can write aldehyde or we can write what is it called keto. This is first clue I am giving. Here you can keep it in the mind. CnH2nO mean it is only aldehyde as well as the ketone. Okay, now what is the information we are getting is it is negative for tolerance and iodoform. So since it is not answering tolerance, it is not answering. For tolerant test, it is not answering. So it is not aldehyde. First conclusion is over. Next, what about your keto mean? It is not answering iodoform test. Iodoform test, it is not answering. Which will answer iodoform mean the methyl ketone will answer the iodoform. So what it indicates, the iodoform test is not answering mean. So this is the ketone but not containing methyl group. So this is the methyl ketone. This is the indication. And the final one is it is reduced to N-pentane by zinc amalgam and HCl. What is the zinc amalgam and corn HCl is nothing but a Clemenson's reduction. Clemenson's reduction. So what it indicates is it is reduced the carbonyl carbon into the hydrocarbon. So from the N-pentane, what is N-pentane is, let me write, this is your N-pentane, that is which is having 5 carbon. You are getting by the Clemmenson mean it should containing the one of the things should be a carbonyl. Let me write here. This is I am writing. I want to write the carbonyl. It is the ketone, but I should not put here because if I am putting here, it will become methyl ketone. So let me write here. This become methyl ketone. It is not, since it is not answering iodoform test, I should not take this format. So I am taking another format is carbon 5. You write like this. And then I am bringing the keto group here. So what is this one is not answering tolerance because it is ketone, not answering iodoform because it's not having the methyl ketone, and then it is reduced with Clemmenson mean. In this place if you are reduced mean you will have this place as a CH2. So overall what is they are asking a compound X is. So what is the starting material is? This is the starting material and the name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 3 you are having. So 5 carbons are there. So 3 name of the compound is 3-pentanone. It should be the what is the X. Let us go and see which is 3-pentanone. Option is D. So like that we can approach it. Again important trick is this formula having aldehyde as well as ketone only. So this is the basic. Now let me go to the next question. Which of the following has the most acidic hydrogen? So to find out the most acidic hydrogen, let us see first one of all the 4. I will give the structure, then we will talk about what is the meaning of acidic hydrogen. First let me write 3-hexanone, that A I am putting, write the 3-hexanone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the way I am putting the chain. write the numbering 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 3, this is the 3, there I am putting the keto group. So 3 hexanone. I am putting the next one is be 2,4-hexane dione. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2,4-hexane. So this is the 2, you put double bond, and the 4, this is the 2, put double bond. So this is the structure. Let me complete first all the structure, then I will talk about what is the meaning of acidic hydrogen. Now coming to the same hexane dione 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not it is coming. Give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what is it? 2 and 5. For the 2 you are putting double bond O. 5 you are double bond O. That is 2 ketone. And the D1, the same hexane 6 dione. Let me write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the position? 2 and 3. For the 2, give the double bond Q. This is. Okay, now all the 4 structures are available. Now what is the meaning of acidic hydrogen? Mean any hydrogen easy to remove from the in this one. What is it? Here you are having CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. So like that, hydrogens are there. Which hydrogen is or which compound having ready to remove the hydrogen? After removing the hydrogen, let me start with this first example. This is the keto group and this is the hydrogen is the alpha hydrogen. This is also you are having the alpha hydrogen. Among these two, if you are removing hydrogen, mean what we are getting is on this carbon atom. Now let me write for one thing I will write as an example. Here hydrogen mean you are removing. So on the carbon atom you are having minus charge. That is hydrogen is removing, you are having the minus charge. As soon as you are removing the minus charge, what is the charge will be shifting towards here and this pi electron moving to on the oxygen. What is this is called as a resonance effect. Whenever the stable ion is forming, correction, the forming ion is stable means that this structure is easily forming. This is in the case of first. In the case of second, you can see you are having near the ketone, you are having this carbon atom. This carbon atom, you are having 2 hydrogen. You remove 1 hydrogen, negative sign is formed. What about the negative sign is shifting on this bond and this is moving. So this is one resonance shift. The same possibility is available for this carbon in opposite direction. This is one and here. So this is another shift. So this is the 2 resonant shifts are possible on this structure. Here it is 1 resonance. On comparing these two, this hydrogen is having more acidic. Now let us see go each one of course. Then now here you are having alpha hydrogen. Now let us start the work finally. Here if you are putting the minus sign mean here it is going to move on here. One shift you are having. On the other direction you are having no shift because there is no conjugate position. Conjugate mean in between the pi bond and charge there is only 1 sigma bond. But what we are having 2 sigma bonds. So it is not answering. Only 1 shift is possible. The same case here. If you are here getting the minus charge mean it is moving here mean that is moving here and here 1 shift is possible. There is no other shift. Suppose you are moving this hydrogen as acidic mean this is moving here and this is again here also either this if you are moving. If you are moving this, so whether you are moving this hydrogen or this hydrogen, you are having probability of 1 shift and 1 shift only. So comparing everything, this is also 1 shift. So whereas here 2 shifts are possible, that means this structure here, this hydrogen is ready to remove. Which of the following has the most acidic hydrogen is 2,4-hexane dione. So this question is very important for the JEE main. Thank you children.